Hi, welcome to this nice algebra. You are required to solve the value of x when you have 2 power square root of x is equal to 16 power x. So we express 16 to base 2. 16 is the same as 2 power 4. We make use of the law of indices, which tell you that when the bases are equal, you can always equate the index. So you are going to equate square root of x to be equal to 4 power x. To square root x is equal to 4x. Now, here you have square root on the left hand side. So to remove the square root, you square on both sides. When you square a number and you take the square root, the result is that number. So x, square root of x squared, we are going to have x power half is the same as square root. So we square this, which is the same as bracket 4x bracket you square. So at this point, you can take the power inside. So you have 4 power half times 2. This will result to x power 1, which is equal to 4 squared multiplied by x squared. 4 squared is 16. X squared is x squared. 16 times x squared will be 16 x squared. X power 1 is the same as x. We can take the x to the right by subtracting x this side and subtracting x on the right side. X minus x is 0. 16 minus 16x squared minus x will remain 16x squared minus x. We can factorize x. When you factorize x here, where you have 16x squared, you shall be left with the 16x. When you factorize x out, where you have x, you will be left with the 1. This implies that your x is equal to 0 or 16x minus 1 is equal to 0. Meaning that 16x is the same as 1. When you take negative to the right hand side, it will become positive. Then next, you divide by 16, both the signs, so that now your value of x will be equal to 1 over 16. So our x is equal to 0 from the given equation. We are going to check to see whether what we have done is correct. Remember, we had been given this equation here. 2 power square root of x is equal to 2 power 4x, which was initially 2 power root x is equal to 16 power x. So we are going to check by substituting the values we have obtained here. So we start with the result when x is equal to 0. We substitute the value of x with 0 and see what we obtained. So any number power 0 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 0, our result odd. What about when x is equal to 1 over 16? So when x is equal to 1 over 16, let us substitute and see whether it is correct. Before then, you need to write 16 to base 2 so that it will be. So we want to substitute. 16 can be written as, 16 can be written as 2 power 4, because we are in 16 power x, so it will be 2 power 4x. We substitute our value. You are told that x is equal to 1 over 16. So square root of 1 over 16, it will be, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 16 is 4. So it will be 1 over 4. So here, 4 times 1 over 16 is 1 over 4. And you can see our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, meaning that when you have 2 power root of x is equal to 16 power x, the possible values of x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over 16, as we have indicated it there. Thanks so much for taking your time to learn with me. You can subscribe to this video, and also you can share, like, and also comment. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.